Hello students, hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is Kiran Potina. Hope everyone are super fine and awesome. Students, now I will explain the important topic of your 10th class, that is applications of trigonometry, exercise 9.1. So now I will start with that question number 1. So listen carefully, I will explain very clearly so you can understand by that explanation itself. Okay. So no need much practice, so understand carefully and start. So the question is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, okay, so which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So as the given figure, okay, this one we will consider as a pole, okay, vertical pole, this is a top. So like for example, think that a man is okay, so a circus artist is climbing 20-meter rope, okay, this length we will consider as 20 meter, this rope length 20 meter, so which is tightly stretched and tied from top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. We need to find this pole if the angle made by the rope with ground level is 30 degrees. This is the rope, right? So angle made with rope and the ground is 30 degrees. So they given this, the data they given, so we need to find the height of the pole, that I will consider as h. Okay, so see students, I will write here like let length of the pole what we need to find, I will consider as some h meters, okay, so h meters. But what they given length of rope given. What is the length of rope given? 20 meters. And what is the angle given? Theta given 30 degrees, okay, theta also given 30 degrees, and we can also write this as angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Why? Because I consider this angle at C, okay. See, after that, if you observe this triangle as it is a right angle triangle, so based on that right angle triangles we have all the formulas regarding sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, right? So for that shortcut I will tell. So now onwards, based on that shortcut, easily you can find all the unknown values like OAO, HHA. So if you want to know clearly about this, what about this OAO, HHA and how we have to take, so see the introduction of trigonometry video. So I have mentioned in the description, so you will get an idea about this. So what about this OAO, HHA is, this represents sine, cos and then tan. So this represents cosecant, secant and then cot. So sine means opposite by hypotenuse, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, tan means opposite by adjacent. So here this side, this pole we will consider as opposite, this rope we will consider as hypotenuse, okay. Now based on these two sides we can get the pole, right? So this is known value and this is unknown value. See, based on opposite and hypotenuse, where we are having opposite and hypotenuse, we are having regarding sine. So from triangle ABC, okay, from triangle ABC, what I will consider is sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, right? So for this angle C, okay, for this angle C, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite is AB divided by hypotenuse is nothing but AC. We know AB value we have considered as h here, so height of the pole. So sine theta, what is theta? Sine 30 degrees, okay. Sine 30 degrees is equal to AB is nothing but h divided by AC is nothing but 20. Now nothing but h is equal to what? Sine 30 into 20. So what is sine 30? 1 by 2 into this is 20. So h is equal to, this is 10 meters. Nothing but height of the pole. Height of the pole is 10 meters. See, very simple question. A person is climbing the rope, okay, to that pole height. The pole height we need to find. This is 20 meters given. So which is the formula related to opposite and hypotenuse? You need to observe. That's it. Opposite and hypotenuse. Which formula? Sine. If you apply sine, we will get the required height. Okay. So this is about question number 1. Next I will move to question number 2. I will read the question. A tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees. See guys, for example, if it is a tree, okay, let it be a tree. So due to storm, for example, it break here like this. So that means it touches the ground now when it falls. Okay, when it falls, it touches the ground like this. Okay, and when it touches the ground, it makes an angle 30 degrees. It makes an angle 30 degrees. So I will consider this is like, this is tree A, B, and this is point C, and this is point D. Okay, so I have considered like this. Now afterwards, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So this is foot of the tree. Okay, as I told, this is like tree. As distance between foot of the tree and the top touches the ground, this is 8 meters. Okay, so this is 8 meters given. Now we need to find height of the tree. Height of the tree andre this part also we need to find, nothing but this shaded part we need to find, and again this shaded part we need to find. Okay, height of the tree means total, this remaining part and the fallen part both we need to find. Okay, so how to find those I will tell you. So they given, so this one I will once again I will write it like this triangle. So here we are having angle 30 degrees, this is 8 meters. Okay, now so that means we are having this adjacent side we are having, so we need to find this height. Okay, so this I will consider as opposite, this is we will consider as hypotenuse. See, according to this OAOHHA, according to OAOHHA, so we are having adjacent we are having. Now we need opposite or else hypotenuse. First adjacent and hypotenuse formula I will take. What is that? Cos. Okay, so before that let height of the tree is equal to x plus y. Okay, this is x and this is y, right? So this is fallen part now. So total height of the tree will become x plus y. See, after that what they given is, given AD is equal to what? The distance between the foot of the tree and the tree touches the ground. This is AD given 8 meters. Now from triangle, which triangle? From triangle ADC, what is cos theta? Okay, according to this, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent to this triangle? Adjacent is AD divided by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? That is CD. We know cos, what is the theta given? That is 30 degrees. So it will be cos 30 degrees is equal to AD by CD. What is AD? AD is 8 meters divided by CD. We don't know CD, that we will find. That means here cos 30 value it is root 3 by 2 is equal to, this is 8 meters divided by CD. CD I have considered as y na. So I will cross multiplication this. So it will become y root 3 is equal to 2 8s are 16. Nothing but y is equal to 16 by root 3. So if I applied cos formula, why? Because adjacent by hypotenuse, I got y value. Similarly, to get adjacent, to get opposite side x value, I have to apply this formula, that is tan, opposite by adjacent. So again, from triangle ADC, tan theta is equal to, what is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite to this? AC divided by adjacent, that is AD. So tan theta means tan 30 value 1 by root 3 is equal to AC by AD. What is AC value? AC value x divided by AD value is 8. That means x is equal to 8 by root 3. So now we got x value and also we got y value. Then height of the tree will become, height of the tree is x plus y. Total height of the tree. Total height of the tree is equal to what? X plus y. So we got x value, that is 8 by root 3 plus y value, this is 16 by root 3. As LCM is same, that is root 3, 8 plus 16 is nothing but 24. But whenever we got root in denominator, we have to do rationalize with root 3 by root 3. So it will be 24 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now 3 ones are 3 eighths, which is nothing but 8 root 3. Okay. So this is our final answer. This is nothing but total height of the tree. Okay. Now question number 3. So this is an important question, guys. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for a children. You know, slides means, okay, they will play in park. No? Okay, slides for children to play in park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at 1.5 meters. So it is divided into 2 types, below 5 years and it is for elders. See here. First I will write for below 5 years and for elders. Okay. See, for below 5 years, this is 1.5 meters. Why? Because they given she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters. So slide top is 1.5 meters. Okay. And is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. So if the slide came like this, okay, slide came like this, so it makes 30 degrees to the ground. Okay, it makes 30 degrees to the ground. So this is about the below 5 years slide. Next, whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meters. Okay, for elders it will be like 3 meters. This is 3 meters and steep slide. Why? Because the elders know they can manage this. So steep slide with an angle 60 degrees. Okay, so with an angle 60 degrees. Now these are the data given. So I will consider this as P, Q, and this is R, and this as like A, B, C. Okay, any values, any points we can take. So this is the data given. Now they are asking what should be the length of this slide in each case. Length of this slide means this value we need to find. Okay, length of this slide we need to find. See how to find the length of this slide is. So first I will find like first below 5 years case. Okay, below 5 years. So they given what they given is given PQ value given. PQ is equal to 1.5 meters and angle R, what is the angle given? That is 30 degrees. Now as we know that if we apply OAO HHA formula, so this is, we will call it as opposite, this we will call it as hypotenuse. This is known value and this is unknown value, opposite and hypotenuse. Which formula you have to apply? Opposite and hypotenuse, we need to apply sine formula. So therefore we can apply sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite is PQ divided by hypotenuse, that is QR. Now we know sine theta, what is the angle here? 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is nothing but 1 by 2 is equal to PQ. PQ given 1.5 divided by QR. QR they did not given, that I will write it as QR only. Now if I do cross multiplication, QR is equal to how much? QR into 1 is QR. 2 into 1.5 is 3 meter. Okay, so this is the required length of this slide for below 5 years. Hope you understand. Now for elders. Okay, now for elders. Now from triangle ABC, see what are the known values is AB is equal to 3 meters, right? And again angle C is equal to how much? 60 degrees. Nothing but opposite we know, we need to find hypotenuse. So which is the formula which is related to opposite and then hypotenuse? Opposite and hypotenuse, that is sine only. So here also I will apply the formula sine, what is the angle given? Sine 60. Sine 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB divided by hypotenuse, that is BC. What is sine 60? Root 3 by 2, which is equal to AB by AC, right? So AB is 3 meters divided by AC we don't know. I will leave it like this. Now I will do cross multiplication. So AC into root 3 is AC root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. Then AC is equal to 6 by root 3. So previously what I told, whenever we have root 3 in denominator, we have to do rationalize root 3 by root 3. So it will become 6 root 3 by 3 into 3 is root 3 into root 3 3. So 6 root 3 by 3, nothing but 3 ones are 3 twos are nothing but AC we will get finally 2 root 3 meters. So what we can write conclusion for this, students? Hence length of the slide, hence length of the slide for below 5 years. Below 5 years. So what is below 5 years? For that length we got, that is 3 meters. So length of the slide will be 3 meters. Similarly, length of slide for elders. For elders ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? So that we got 2 root 3 meters. Okay. So this is the conclusion for this question. Hope you understand. So next I will move to the question number 4. So the question is, the angle of elevation of top of the tower. Okay, angle of elevation of top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. See, angle of elevation of top of a tower. Angle of elevation. See, angle of elevation is like this. Elevation of top of a tower from point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So for example, if I consider this as a tower, so as this as a tower, so angle of elevation from top of a tower, so that is given from the foot is 30 degrees given. This is 30 degrees and this is which is 30 meter away from the foot. So this is 30 meters. So this length also given and the angle is also given. So I will consider this as A and this is B and this is BC. Nothing but let BC is equal to, so what is BC? BC means height of the tower. BC means height of the tower. Next, what is this AB? AB means distance from foot of the tower. Distance from foot of the tower to the point. To the point, that point is A. Okay, that also they given. AB is equal to how much? 30 meters. This also they given. Next, angle nothing but theta they given 30 degrees, nothing but angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Now what we need to find is, find the height of the tower. As we know that if it is the angle, this will become opposite and this will become hypotenuse and this will become adjacent, right? Now we need a height of the tower. That means this one we need. What the unknown, known value adjacent, unknown value opposite. So OAO HHA. So out of this, what is known value? Known value is adjacent and we need opposite. So adjacent and then opposite. The combination is regarding tan. So I will consider from triangle ABC. So tan theta is equal to, what is tan theta guys? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Opposite is BC divided by adjacent. Adjacent is AB. What is tan theta? Theta is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 is equal to BC. BC value we don't know, divided by AB. AB we know that is 30. So if you do cross multiplication, it will become 30 divided by root 3, right? So now again we need to do rationalize root 3 by root 3. So finally it will become BC is equal to 30 root 3 divided by 3, which is 3 ones 3 tens 10 root 3 meters. Now this is what BC. Now what is BC? BC means therefore height of the tower. Therefore height of the tower, that is BC is equal to 10 root 3 meters. So this is about question number 4. Next I will move to the question number 5. So from the exercise 9.1 only. Okay. The question is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. A kite is flying, for example, okay, like this is the kite, is flying 60 meter above the ground. Okay, for example, let it be is a ground. So this is 60 meter above the ground, right? Yes. Okay. Now the string is attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. So the string will be there now. That string is attached to the ground. Okay, attached to the tied to the point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Okay, inclination. This is given 60 degrees. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So nothing but we need to find the length of the string. Nothing but this is hypotenuse, you know, and this is opposite. So again we need to apply OAO HHA method. So which represent this is sine, this is cos, and this is tan. So what is known value? Known value is opposite this and this, but what we need is hypotenuse. That means this one. So we have to apply the formula sine. Okay, right. Now this I will consider this is A and this is B, and let it be this as C. Now I will consider let BC. BC is equal to height of the kite. Height of the kite from ground. Okay, height of the kite from ground, that is given. BC is equal to how much? This is 60 meters given. Next I will consider AC is equal to inclined length. AC is equal to inclined length of the string. Inclined length of the string from what? From where? From the ground. Okay, from the ground. Okay, so this is AC we need to find, right? And here point A is nothing but A is the point where string of the kite is tied, right? Now from the triangle ABC, okay, from the triangle ABC, so which formula we have to apply? Sin theta, right? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is nothing but BC divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but AC. Now what is sin theta? Theta given 60 degrees. So sin 60 degrees is equal to BC by AC. BC given 60 divided by AC, we don't know. So sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to 60 by AC. Now if I reciprocal this, AC by 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. Just I have reciprocal these two. Now 60 will go here, it will become AC is equal to 62 is a 120 divided by root 3. But whenever we have root 3 in denominator, we have to do rationalize with again root 3 by root 3. So root 3 into root 3, it will become 3. 3 ones are 340s, which is 40 root 3. This is meters. So this is the AC length. Now what is AC finally? AC is called the length of the string. The length of the string. String is nothing but the thread. String from the ground. From the ground, which is 40 root 3 meters. Okay. So hope you understand this question. So if you feel this like this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Next, question number 6. This is again another important question for your board examinations. A 1 point, see the question carefully, very important question this is. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Okay, let it be like, for example, this is a 1.5 meter person. Okay, he is standing at some distance. So this is 1.5 meter person, height of a person. He is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Okay, so let it be 30 meter tall building. This is a 30 meter tall building. Okay, now the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. That means starting at this point, this is 30 degrees. Okay, so why? Because we have to take this as horizontal line, right? This has horizontal line. This is ground level. This one we should not consider as horizontal line. This is only we have to consider as horizontal line. Why? Because from his eyes we have to take. So if you want to know this or how we have to take about this, see the link of the video in description, you will get the idea. Okay. So this is starting 30 degrees but to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. See, for some time as he walks towards the building, okay, at this case, so now the angle is like it's like 60 degrees. Okay, so whenever we move towards the building, if you look at the top of the building, we have to raise our head now to see that. So that means angle of elevation we have to take. One is 30 degrees and the one is 60 degrees. Find the distance he walks towards the building. We need to find the distance. Now, as they given one of the information that distance from a 30 meter tall building. So this total height given, that is 30 meter, right? This is 30 meter total. Now, so when we want to find this length, we have to use only this 28.5 meter. Instead of 30, we have to use only 28.5 meter. Hope you understand this. Why? Okay. Why? Because we should not consider the total height of the building. We have to consider only height of the building except this person height, that is 1.5 meters. Okay. Now I will start the question with some after naming the points, like this person height, this will be AB. So and this is CD, total height of the building CD, and then afterwards this is CD and this point, this is E and this is F. Okay, and this is G. Okay. Now first of all I will write the given data, let height of the building, let height of the building is equal to what? Height of the building is equal to, I consider as DC or else CD, which is equal to how much? 30 meters. Next, and boy height how much? Boy height is nothing but AB, or else we can also consider this as EC, is equal to how much? 1.5 meters. Okay, this is 1.5. If this is 1.5 and this is total 30, so 30 minus 1.5, which gives 28.5, that is remaining. Now first I will consider these two triangles into two figures to understand and simplify clearly. So this is the first figure. We are having this 30 degrees, nothing but these points will become, this is B and this is D and this is E. So imagine from this I have taken, this is BED, nothing but BED. We got the first figure, right? So big triangle we got. Either big triangle angle will be only less, that will be 30 degrees. So in this 30 degrees, what is known value is? Known value is nothing but this is 28.5 meters, right? So nothing but this is opposite we know. But what we need actually is find the distance he walks towards the building. So this heights, this lengths we need. So nothing but BE we don't know. Nothing but this is adjacent. Now according to OAO HHA, okay, known value is opposite and unknown value is adjacent. Opposite and then adjacent. So the formula is regarding tan. So from triangle, from the triangle BED, I will apply tan theta. So if I apply tan theta, what will get? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is DE divided by adjacent is what? Adjacent is BE. Now what is tan theta? As the angle is 30 degrees, I will write this as tan 30 degrees is equal to DE by BE. What is DE? DE is 28.5 divided by BE. So tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by BE. Nothing but BE is equal to, so BE ikkade hogidre 28.5 into root 3. So this is what BE length. Okay. So this is BE length total. This length is 28. Next, I will consider the second triangle. See guys, I will consider the second triangle. The second triangle is like F, E and then D. Imagine this is FED, only this small triangle FED. So from this FED, what is known values is, this is 28.5 meters, this is known value, nothing but this is opposite side, and what we need is adjacent. again opposite by adjacent, so we are having tan formula. So this is from which triangle? From the triangle FED. From the triangle FED, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is DE divided by adjacent is FE. So you can take any names. ಯಾವ names ಆದರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, A, B, C, D ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay, tan theta equal to DE by FE. So tan theta, here the angle is 60 degrees. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 is equal to DE by FE. DE is 28.5 divided by FE. So that means FE is equal to, FE ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ 28.5 divided by root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So whenever we having root 3, so we have to do rationalize, right? So into root 3 divided by root 3. So this is 28.5 by 3 and this is root 3. Okay. So root 3 into root 3, 3. So this is what FE. Andre, see here. So FE value we got 28.5 by 3 into root 3 we got, and the total AG nothing but BE value we got, no, nothing but AC, that value we got total 28.5 root 3, nothing but which height, which distance we need? Find the distance he walks towards the building. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ like we know that like BF plus FE is equal to what? BE. So we don't know this BF value, so the BF plus FE we got 28.5 root 3 divided by 3 is equal to BE we got 28.5 root 3. So nothing but if we need BF value, so then you send this to that side. So 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 root 3 divided by 3. That means if you take 28.5 root 3 common, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 28.5 root 3 common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so it will become 1 minus 1 by 3, nothing but it will become 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ it will become so 28.5 root 3 divided by 2 by 3. First of all 28.5 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 57 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 57 by 3 is nothing but 19 root 3 meters. This 19 root 3 meters is nothing but the distance he walks towards the building. See, write down clearly, and if you have not understand, revise the video once again, so then definitely you will. So next I will move to the question number 7. The question number 7 is, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of bottom and top of the transmission, angle of elevation of bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degrees and 60 degrees. See guys, this is the building height given 20 meters, but above this building they kept a transmission tower like this. Okay, transmission tower is there. So from a point on the ground, okay, from here for example, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation at the bottom and top of a transmission tower of a 20-meter high building are 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So bottom and top, bottom is 45 and this is so this is top is 60 degrees and here the bottom is 45 degrees. Okay, so this is the figure now. So this is 45 degrees and this is 60 degrees, nothing but 60 degrees to top. This top, this bottom of what? Bottom of transmission tower, but building height is 20 meters. Now based on these values we need to find height of the tower. Find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So I will mention these names, like this will be A is nothing but point, this is a B, nothing but this point, this point is B, and this will be C. Okay, nothing but this is BC. Now what is the BC length? BC length given 20 meters, and I will consider this is D, nothing but CD. Now I will write clearly here. So what is A, what is BC and all those. Let BC is equal to height of the building. BC is equal to height of the building. What is the height of the building? We got that they given, that is 20 meters. So BC. Next like CD is equal to height of the tower. CD is equal to height of the tower. Now so what are the another thing? So another thing you need to understand, like total from B to D. So andre BD enagutte, BD is equal to BC plus CD. Okay, this is one of the equation you need to remember. BD is equal to BC plus CD. And afterwards, see, so I will split this into two triangles, then you can simplify very easily. So first one, this small triangle I will consider, this one, so which is having 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. So this is A and this is B and this is C. Why I have considered this one first means, as we know this opposite side is to 20 meters, and as we need adjacent, right? So which is the formula related to opposite and adjacent? That is tan. Okay, but what is the formula? Tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC, adjacent is AB. So tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to BC value, we know that is 20, divided by AB. So that means AB is equal to 20. And AB akkade hogidre AB is equal to 20. So nothing but now we got this value, that is AB is equal to 20 meters we got. Okay, AB is equal to 20. Now again from this triangle, this is a triangle number 1, this one. Now I will consider triangle number 2. So what is the triangle is like this. So this is A and this is B and this is D and this is C. Okay, this is C point. So we know this value. What is that? We know this is 20 and the angle is how much? Angle is 60 degrees, right? ABD angle 60 degrees agutte. Ivaga again we need this height, right? Nothing but we need opposite. See here. Now again I will apply formula from triangle ABD. So tan theta is equal to, what is that? BD divided by AB. Now what is tan theta? Tan 60. Tan 60 value, which is root 3, is equal to BD value. BD value we don't know, that I will write it as BC plus CD whole divided by AB. AB value we know, that is 20. So now BC plus CD is equal to how much? BC plus CD is equal to, it will be 20 root 3. But as we know the value of BC, this is 20 meter, right? So then CD is equal to 20 root 3. ಈ BC ಅಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ minus BC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus BC ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 20. Nothing but CD is equal to 20 common ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ root 3 minus 1 meters. So this is what CD height. That CD height is nothing but height of the tower. So we got 20 of root 3 minus 1 meters. Okay. So this is about this question. Find the point on the ground. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation from bottom and top of a transmission are 45 and then 60. Bottom ge 45, ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 60. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ when we see upside we have to raise our head height. So that's why it will be 60. Top ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 60, bottom ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 45. This length given 20. This length we need to find, that I consider as CD. Okay. Take a screenshot of this solution and later you can copy in your notes. Still if you have any doubts you can message to my number. Okay. Next, last but not least, 8th question of this session. So from the exercise 9.1, right? Exercise 9.1. Okay, see here the question is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. See, pedestal is nothing but it is a base for the statue. For example, okay, this one we will consider as a pedestal. Okay, base irutte. So idra mele statue irutte. For example, this will be like a statue. Whatever it may be, it's maybe a person or anything. So let it be a statue. So a statue 1.6 meter tall. Okay, this is 1.6 meter tall statue, okay, on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60. From a point andre idu, okay. So angle of elevation from top of the statue, okay, top of a statue is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. That point I will consider this as A, and this is B, and this will be C, and this will be D. Okay, let us consider like that. After that, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Okay, this is the top of the pedestal, that is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. Andre ee height find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This height we need to find. Nothing but this is BC height find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, right? So first I will write here like, see, let CD is equal to height of a statue, that is on that they only given, that is 1.6 meter, and let BC is equal to height of pedestal. I understood now what do you mean by pedestal anta. Pedestal andre base, okay, nothing but concrete or bricks will be there na below the statue, that is a pedestal. So that let it be BC only, okay, BC. Therefore total height is nothing but pedestal height plus statue height is equal to how much? Total height we will consider as BD, which is equal to BC plus CD, right? So this equation you remember, and afterwards let A be the point. Let A be the point on the ground. A be the point on the ground where the observer will see. Okay. Where observer will see. Okay. Now afterwards that they given 60 degrees and then 45 degrees. Finally we need to find height of the pedestal. See, as we have simplified previously, again I will split the figure into two figures, then it will become very easy. First I will consider this one, okay. So here actually first we have to consider the triangle like ABC. I will consider first. See here, this is triangle A, and this is B, and this is C. So this value is 45 degrees, and this value we don't know, and AB value also we don't know. So see here, okay. So this will consider this as opposite, and this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. Now if I apply tan theta to this, tan theta is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse, nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC divided by adjacent is AB, but the angle given here is 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to BC by AB. I think you know the value of tan 45 degrees, which is equal to 1. 1 is equal to BC by AB, nothing but AB is equal to how much? AB is equal to BC. Okay, so now we can substitute AB is equal to BC wherever in the next figure. So and next figure I will draw. See here, the next figure is like this. This is A, and this is B, and this is finally D. In between C also will be there. Okay. Now here what is the angle given here is 60 degrees. When we see the top of the statue, 60 degrees. When we see the bottom of the statue, that will be like 45 degrees. Now from this 60 degrees, which formula I will apply is, again I will apply tan formula. So that is tan 60 degrees is equal to, tan andre eno opposite by adjacent. Okay. So tan is nothing but BC plus CD. Opposite andre eno BC ಮತ್ತೆ CD ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ tan 60 is equal to BC plus CD divided by AB. Okay. Now tan 60 degrees value is to √3. So I will write this as √3 is equal to, this is BC plus CD divided by AB. Now if I do cross multiplication, so it will become, see, it will become AB √3 is equal to BC plus CD. but CD value we know that is 1.6. So BC plus 1.6. Now, but finally we need the height of the pedestal, right? So we know we need the value of BC. But as we got here AB is equal to BC, this is also I will consider as instead of AB I will write it as BC. So this is BC root 3. This plus BC minus BC is equal to 1.6. So then if we take BC common ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ root 3 minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to 1.6. So nothing but this is finally BC is equal to how much? BC is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now whenever we have like this, we have to do rationalize. We have to do rationalize with root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So finally it will become BC is equal to, this is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square andre 3 minus 1 2 agutte. So which is equal to 2 ones are to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. So this is the final BC. That BC is nothing but height of the pedestal. So I hope you understand the problems. See, if you are not understand, see once again, skip the video. Back hogi ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So still if you have any doubts regarding, so again you can comment in the comment box so that I will explain the further problems. So this is the video regarding exercise 9.1, nothing but applications of trigonometry. So in that exercise 16 questions are there, but out of that 16, in this video you are having 8 questions, and in description I will mention the details of introduction of trigonometry, that also you see, and you solve these problems once again. Definitely you will get succeed while solving this. Okay, thank you so much.